Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the icebox fan motor in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Depress the water filter cover to release it, then rotate the filter counterclockwise to remove. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 2 screws securing the water reservoir access panel. Pull the panel down, using a flathead screwdriver to help detach the mounting posts. Disconnect the LED light wire connector and set the panel aside. You can use a small flathead screwdriver to pry off the waterline retainer. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to depress the retaining ring to release the icemaker fill tube from the valve port. Disconnect all of the icebox wire connectors. For easier access to uninstall the icebox, remove the upper left shelf. Use a putty knife or a flathead screwdriver to depress the tabs to release the icebox's front cover. Then disconnect the wire connector. Now unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the icebox. Pull the icebox forward and down to fully release. Next, unthread all of the screws securing the icemaker cover. You can partially lift out the icemaker to move the cover out of the way, then lift off the polystyrene foam block. Disconnect the wire harness, and you can fully remove the old fan motor. Install the new icebox fan motor by positioning it in the housing. Then connect the wire harness and replace the foam block. Reposition the icemaker as necessary and realign the cover. Rethread the screws to secure. Reinstall the icebox by aligning the hooks on the top with the notches in the liner, then push the icebox back. Replace the screws. Reinstall the front cover by first connecting the wire connector, then align the top edge and snap the cover into place. Replace the upper shelf if required. Reconnect all of the icebox wire connectors. Reinsert the fill tube into the valve port until fully seated. Snap the waterline retainer into place. Reinstall the water reservoir access panel by first connecting the LED light wire connector. Insert the 3 tabs at the back into the slots, then snap the mounting posts into place. Rethread the screws. Reinstall the water filter and close the cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.